Once you've owned a wood-burning stove a while, certain parts will need maintenance. One of the most overlooked parts of a stove is the gasket. In this video, we're showing you how to replace the gasket once it's worn down. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What is a gasket? A gasket isn't something most people are familiar with, but it's just the rope around the inside of the door of your wood-burning stove. This rope makes an airtight seal around the door when you close it. After some years of use, you may notice the rope has developed some wear and tear. If yours has, it's time to replace it. Most manufacturers offer correctly sized door and window gasket replacement kits. Individually sized rope gaskets come in many different sizes and can be round or oval shaped. Double check to be sure you have the right gaskets for your job. How do you replace your gasket? First, remove the door from the stove and place it face down on a soft surface. Remove the screws securing the glass and take it out. Loosen each screw in small increments to avoid stressing and possibly cracking the glass. Next, remove the old gasket and scrape off the old silicone glue that held it in place. Next, replace the flat gasket strips applied to the glass retainers if present. Most manufacturers use adhesive-back flat gaskets for this. Then test fit each new gasket by laying it in the door glass and outer door grooves. Next, cut the new gaskets down to size, leaving a little extra length for final adjustments. Using an approved high-temperature RTV sealant, apply beads of the sealant to the window gasket groove per the manufacturer instructions. Add the gasket rope to the window groove, then cut off any excess where the gasket ends meet. Lay the glass over the window gasket and tighten the screws in small increments. Move from screw to screw until the glass retainers are snug. You'll see a bigger groove in the door too. Apply the RTV sealant all the way around this channel. Now add the gasket rope. Once you've added the outer gasket, weigh it down to ensure good adhesion. Do this so the gasket doesn't separate while the glue dries. An hour should do. Once that's done, put the door back on the stove. Now that your door seal's airtight again, it's time to enjoy your stove and relax by the fire. For help selecting your next wood burner, our NFI Certified specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.